So hello guys, my puppies are now sleeping and they don't know where they are. So let's go find them. Mabring a flashlight to me so can look. So I don't know where they are. So they are. There's a little cookie in here. Hello, little cookie. You're my best friend now. So there is the toy. You can see now he is moving. That in little cookie he is having time of his life. And now we have it. Now there is a new toy. I don't know why, but ito sa iyang mama. I don't know if you're English or Tagalog or Bisaya, but I'm in English because I want to know my American audience. So dali, ito kasi mga mama. Dali mama. Mama milk. Mama milk. Drink. You wake up, drink. So we find all the pups. There's some more. You want to buy it? Come to the Philippines and they are for free because I have too many puppies. You can see here. Anyways, let's go to Mr. Crocky. Oh, where is Mr. Crocky? Oh my God, he ate Mr. Crocky. And there's a spider. Patay. Patay means dead. And there's so that's it for the day, so or night. Oh, sorry. Bye bye, and hope you see another ugma means tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.